It's hard to prepare for moments like this. Come out to the center. All right. So, as you know, there was a nationwide vote. I'm going to put this in football terms for you, as a ball player. So you're down by 6. It's 4th and inches. No timeouts. You want to get in the end zone, but you got to get out of the danger zone first. You did not make it based on the vote, but you can make it based on this performance if you get one of the judges' picks, okay? What song are you going to do?
I'm doing Have You Ever Seen the Rain by Creedence.
All right, deep breath, and let's go get it. Come on, come on.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day, and I know shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot, and I know been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow, and I know, will it stop? I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Oh, coming down on a sunny day. Thank you. Thank you.
I said it, Luke.
Garrett, way to state your case. Good job. Good song choice for you. Little pitchy things there in the end, but way too. That's 2.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh my God, I'm killing my own career up here. No, but way to state your case, bud.
Kettle black.
Hey.
I was me. It was me.
Now you talk, Kate. You talk.
Yes, I do tend to agree with Luke, but I would have to say, Garrett, that this is, it's hard, heavy as the head that wears a crown, isn't it? I would have to say this is the best you've ever sounded.
Thank you.
I love how you sound when the pressure is on, and I love Honey. No matter what happens, Honey, I love you so much.
You know, the thing you have to understand here is I don't want to be in the boo committee, but listen to me. What you have to understand here is that this is so serious at this point in the competition. And I must tell you, you have to bring style now. Who are you? Who are you?
Yeah.
And that's what you have to bring to the table. Not that you hit right notes, it's who are you? That's what we're looking for. Okay?
Thank
Let's
you.
hear it for Garrett.